Welcome to Geoscraper. Today I will show you how to use the Google Auto Search Playground. First, you need active token for the playground. Let's grab the token from dashboard. Then, click the playground link from the menu. After that, you need to choose search option for the Auto Search Playground. Now paste the token that copied earlier. Add locations and queries that you need to scrape from Google Map Auto Search. You can add locations and queries separately by clicking the Add More button. I will add some test locations and queries to show how it's done. Now submit to scrape the search results. Scraping is finished. You can download the CSV by click on Download CSV button. Here is the CSV file that we downloaded from the playground. Thanks for watching. You can try our tool by visiting geoscraper.net/try.
Geoscraper, the last word in Google Maps scraping.